Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset to default configuration on your Ethernet or wireless adapter. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Select this button, reset now. Your PC will be restarted. One click and confirm. In the new window prompt, click on yes. Are you sure to want to reset your network settings? Click on yes. And close the new pop-up window. Click on close. And to apply the change, go to the start menu. Select the power up button, one click and select restart. Login in your desktop. In this new window, select your privacy configuration. In this case, I click on no. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to help you in this tutorial and see you in the next video. Goodbye.